your social media, please.
Okay. Hi everyone, this is Nicole Wood, Wildlife Bio Gal. We're live here from Sleeping Bear Dunes. You can see in the background the big old dunes back there, but we're live with the Cerulean Center's co-executive director. Do I have that right?
Yes.
Jessica Sons. So if you want to just tell us what is the Cerulean Center, first of all, for people who don't know.
The Cerulean Center is a brand new nonprofit organization that is devoted completely to advancing understanding of the Great Lakes. So we are a research organization. We are really passionate about bringing together scientists and people to learn more about the amazing environment around us.
So as you can see right now, there's a lot of kids behind us. So you want to tell us a little bit of why there's so many kids around?
Sure, it's a little crazy here right now. We are at a bioblitz today, and a bioblitz is a great adventure to bring together people and scientists to find as many species as possible in one place on one day. So we're actually doing this today and tomorrow, but today is our day to participate with Greenspire and Pathfinder schools out of the Traverse City area. And so we have 140 kids here today, meeting with about a dozen scientists, and we've had them in the field all day right now. They're in the science discovery tent, and they are identifying species, and they're talking with scientists, and they're hanging out behind us.
Yes.
They're completing their bioblitz passports, where they're encouraged to go around and ask questions and see how much they can discover in one day.
All right, so as we're talking to Jessica here, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us any questions about what's going on, anything to do with the Cerulean Center, anything to do with Great Lakes, anything to do with these awesome kids behind us who are just having a blast here. Talk to us about, Great Lakes work, because, a lot of what you guys are going to be doing with research is Great Lakes research. So why Great Lakes research? Why should people care about the Great Lakes? What's important about the Great Lakes?
Well, the Great Lakes, first of all, are just the largest freshwater system in the world. So, this is an incredible worldwide treasure that we have right here. And the folks who started the Cerulean Center, we are all from Michigan originally, but now we've been bringing in partners from around the whole Great Lakes region to support us and to work with us. And the thing that we're really excited about is we have a great team that is made up of a lot of people who do different kinds of Great Lakes work. So we have aquatic biologists working together with people who have forestry backgrounds, working together with people who have communications and journalism backgrounds, people who have education backgrounds. And so we're trying to tie in all of these different things to have a big picture view of why the Great Lakes are so important and how we can better engage people to discover more about them.
So, rumor has it this is your guys' very first event. So
very first one, number one.
Why was doing a bioblitz with kids so important for the Cerulean Center? Why did you guys make this your first event?
Well, I think a lot of it is our mission always has a real anchor in citizen science. We are passionate about the way that ordinary people can be involved in science and how ordinary people can contribute to science. And we're science geeks. We're really excited about science too. And we want that to be contagious. We want to share that with others, and we thought a bioblitz that engages students and engages the general public could be a great way to do that. And so today is our student day. Tomorrow actually is our day that's open to the public. So if you are around, please come join us. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Can they just show up, or how do they need to be able to join? What's the best way for them
They
to be able
can
to come hang out?
absolutely just show up. We're sending out the very first research expeditions tomorrow at 9 a.m., but they'll be running until 4 p.m. They can also check out our website if they go to ceruleancenter.org/bioblitz, BIOBLITZ. You can get all of the information there. You can pre-register there if you'd like, but you're also welcome to just show up.
So the bioblitz tomorrow, what can people expect? What should they come dressed? What's the best way to prepare yourself for a bioblitz? And should they, come with cameras? What all do they need to have a successful bioblitz?
The most important thing they need to bring is enthusiasm. So, really, it's a laid-back event. You do not have to have scientific expertise to participate. As long as you're interested, you are welcome. You don't have to have fancy gear, so dress comfortably, but with sturdy footwear. Be prepared to get wet and dirty. I am completely muddy right now. My fingers are filled with muck. So you will get dirty, you will get wet, but as long as you come with enthusiasm, you're good to go. But bringing cameras is great. If you are so digitally inclined, we are also recording all of the data from this event on an app called iNaturalist. And what iNaturalist does is it's a way to to share all of the data that you find. You can take pictures, you load them up, and then scientists can comment on them. We have scientists who verify the pictures that are found, and we can keep track of all the species that we see that way. So that's a great way too, if that's something that is pretty interesting for you. If you're one of the people who's been playing Pokemon Go, it's kind of like a real life science version of that.
Yeah, so I mean, if you're interested, definitely check out the website. What are other ways that they can contact you? Are you guys on Twitter and Facebook and other platforms?
We are on Twitter, we are on Facebook, we are on Instagram. We have our own website, so you can find us at Cerulean Center in all of those different ways. And we'd love to connect with you.
Yep, so if you have any more questions for afterwards, either one, you can watch this again and find out all the questions that or answers to the questions that you missed. Also, you can follow me on Twitter or Facebook at wildlifebiology.com. Obviously, you can follow the Cerulean Center on all of their platforms, and go ahead and engage with us. We want to help keep this conversation going with everyone out there to help get you excited about science and excited about all the awesome stuff that's going on back here, because this is only going to grow from here. I mean, this is their first event, so from here they're hoping to spread out the love of science to everyone else here in the Great Lakes Basin. So with that, since I don't see any questions coming through, we're gonna let you run off to go do all the other duties that you have to do here.
There's a lot going on back there.
So, and we're gonna go see if we can wrangle some middle schoolers around and help them finish off their science adventure fun today. So thank you for joining us, and tune in tomorrow because we'll be doing some more Facebook Live broadcast out for everyone with all the events that are going on there. So have a great afternoon, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you.